Hey guys, Tom from Digismoothie here, and today I would like to talk about Shopify checkout, specifically about the differences between the one-page checkout and the multi-page checkout and which one I think is better. On Shopify, there are basically two versions of the checkout. First one is the one-page checkout, where all the information required are on the single page, and once customer goes through the page and fill in all the required details, he can click on the Pay Now button, and that's it, the order is submitted. The other version, the three-steps checkout, as the name suggests, requires 3 steps in order to complete the order. On the first step, customer need to fill in the contact and shipping address. On the second step, customer need to select the delivery method. And on the last payment step, customer need to fill in the payment details. Once selected, customer can click on the complete order, and that's it, the order is submitted. So as you see, it's a bit longer process, and all the information required are still the same, but they are essentially broken down into 3 pages. To change the logic of your checkout, go to Online Store Themes and click on Customize. And from the top menu, change to Checkout. And scroll down, and there is a section called Checkout Layout. And you can choose from the 1 page and 3 page. As you can see, the 1 page is actually recommended. And once you save it, that's what your customers will see. Back in June 2024, Shopify released the famous 1 page checkout publicly. And since then, it kind of became the default version for all new stores. And everyone kind of migrated and switched to 1 page checkout because Shopify claimed it has a better conversion. So we did some testing ourselves. It's quite difficult to A/B test it. So we ran sort of a period over period test back then. And there was a really quite significant conversion uplift, 7.5% better when we switched to 1 page checkout. Now, the thing is, since it's very difficult to A/B test it as a regular merchant, you need to decide which one is better for your business. So if you are mainly selling to North or South America and your AOV is, let's say, tens or lower hundreds of dollars, then the 1 page checkout may really be a better option because generally in those regions and in this AOV segment, customers tend to check out very quickly. While if your business is mainly, let's say, in Germany or Japan or some other regions where users tend to think twice about submitting the order and they are very careful about their privacy and they really think twice before entering the credit card, there the multi-page checkout may actually be a better and safer option. So let's say if you are selling like high-priced items, thousands of dollars AOV, the multi-page checkout, I think, can really perform slightly better. My secret and simple tip for the 1 page checkout is also the call to action. So by default, Shopify is using Pay Now, which may discourage some customers because it's connected directly to payment, to losing money. So I suggest using things like submit order, complete order, which are rather focusing on the positive side, on getting the product which customer wants and not changing the balance in their bank account. To change the call to action, just go to Online Store Themes and click on the 3 dots and edit default theme content. And here go to Checkout and System. And there is a label called Pay Now button label. So that's what you are looking for. I'm using Czech language here, so I'll click on Localize. And this is the one, General Pay Now button label. So let's use complete order. Now I will refresh the page and I should see the new call to action. Yeah, beautiful. Okay, so I hope this video helped you to understand the differences between the 1 page and 3 page checkout. And also I hopefully gave you some insights into which version you should try. And ideally, if you can go ahead and A/B test it because there can be a significant conversion uplift. Thanks much for watching as always. And if you like our content, subscribe to our channels and I hope to see you soon.